This is our first behind the scenes of making the movie. What's it called again?
I think it's going to be called Amelia's Locket.
Amelia's Locket. Alright, so we're making our first prop, and it's a letter from Amelia to her family. Okay, Kira, take it away. Oh, Kira, start telling what it is.
Okay, May 9th. 1945.
What? Oh, there's no one. I messed up again. Oh, well. 1945. Alright. Comma. Enter. How do you enter this thing? I don't know how to enter it. Tab.
Yeah, just tapping it until it hits the little dingy thing.
Ding! Oh, I love the ding. Okay, tab. Tab. What? Oh,
You just killed it.
this is really, really hard. I don't even know. Here's our failure of when Kira almost started our house on fire. Dun, dun, dun. This is our failure. Look at all the ashes, they blew away. Failure. Goodbye. We are making our first clue. Let's try to get the light better.
We are losing our inner pyro. We had
Look at it.
kind of a bad experience our last...
Yeah, Kira almost set the house on fire. Oh dear. I told her to blow it out, but she didn't.
There we go. Okay, maybe we should just like... Yeah, okay. We need more lemon juice.
Okay. Get the lemon juice. Behind the scenes for the win.
I can't believe this is actually working.
I know. What you gotta do? What you gotta do?
Maybe we should get the paper towel. Okay, this wipe the hair thing.
Okay. Goodbye. I can't believe people use these. Oh.
You just cracked it in half.
Oh, jeez.
You want to try again?
Alright, I gotta fix this tape.
Michaela does everything. Michaela does everything around here. She is the DJ, and she is the DJ. See? DJ.
DJ.
And the camera person. And, well, right now I'm the camera person. But she is the camera person most of the time. And she's the typewriter expert. Ish. Kind of ish.
More than you.
Okay, well, I bet I can do it.
Sure. I'm sure. Okay. Oh, big space. Oh, the E always does that. Alright, I'm sure you are. This is gonna take forever. Oh, I can't pee. You. Oh, well, we're gonna burn it anyway. I can't breathe. Suffocating in the piles
A wedding.
Well, this
frills.
is really zoomed in.
Okay.
Stuck in my hair. Oh, stupidity. I dinged! Believe. Okay, now I got it. When are we leaving? Believe me.
No!
What did you do? Believe. What are you even doing? Oh my goodness.
You're killing it.
I did do it once. Oh jeez. Believe me. Wow, this looks really good, guys. Really good. Oh wow. Oh. Okay, just leave it. Just leave it.
This is I'm gonna have to read this. I'm not gonna have this memorized.
Oh wow.
And I'm not gonna be able to read it. I'm gonna laugh in the middle of the filming.
Just deal with it, okay? Worried. Believe me. Believe me, Okay.
This is what it's actually supposed to look like.
And what if you mess something up? Oh, the stupid tape again. Okay.
Okay. May 9th, 1945. Dear mother and father and family, I'm sure you were all worried, sick, and would want to know where I disappeared off to. Believe me, I'd much rather not leave all of you. My safety was in question, so
I forgot to space it.
I had no choice but to go away.
I forgot
I don't want to explain everything to here.
You said, wait,
What?
can I try?
Just let her begin the wrong.
Can I try? No.
Wrong hands.
I want to try.
So before I left, I thought of a way
now.
you could find out what happened. Father, remember how you gave me that journal? You'll be happy to know it served me more than I ever thought it would. I had been writing about all the events that played into my disappearance. I hid the journal entries in fervent hope that you, my dear family, would find them. I'm going to give you a clue.
We're going to have to delete this. Yes, we're going to have to delete much of this. Delete. Push stop. Push stop now, Kira. But I'll push stop. No. Kira, we're wasting film. We're going to have to delete all. So we took a detour of our prop shopping to get this because it's 1,000,000,000 degrees outside and that was hot.
And I was like dehydrating and about to fall over.
Exactly. I'm just cooling off after a hard day of work. I've just been working so hard. But guess what? We're going to get back to work. So don't worry, you movie watchers. Everything will be alright.
Now that we have our beautiful, not sure if you can see what color it is, but it's like a pinkish, yellowish color.
And guess what? I was going on a slide with this random guy named Feedy.
Okay, so I.
Guys, look, I found my dress. Look over here.
Yeah. Okay. Do you saw that beautiful image?
Guys, I found my dress.
Okay, stand back.
It's so beautiful. Don't you put this back so we can see? Don't you think it's so beautiful? Okay, do it.
Okay, go.
You go. Oh, look at this. It's like a prairie dress. Look at this one. Our attempts. It's very sad. I thought I could do it, but I couldn't. It's just too hard. Stupid ribbon. There's nothing pink.
Yeah, this is how it turned out.
So we go to plan B.
Which is a computer. Yay for technology. Yay. Okay.
All right, let's go.
And our lovely rip in the corner. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wait.
You got Whaley J. You got Whaley J.
Okay, Whaley Jr. has to be in here.
Ta-da.
Okay. Bye.